What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, today I want to talk about a small cap company which has grown like crazy in the last 6 months. Somehow, it's managed to stay under the radar and it is still undervalued and has massive upside potential. This company is disrupting an entire industry, so it's quite remarkable how no one has picked up on this stock yet. Before we get into the details though, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn the bell notifications on so you can get the latest information as soon as I post it on YouTube. The company we're talking about today is OptimizeRX, ticker symbol OPRX. This is a digital health company and are the only point-of-care focused platform on the market, linking life sciences, physicians, patients, and pharmacies within one platform. 80% of their customer base is top 50 pharmaceutical brands, and they have an 86% renewal rate, which means customers are happy with their service. These pharma brands can reach patients and providers digitally through the OptimizeRX platform, which makes the whole process affordable for patients, which increases adherence to virtual care. If you just take a quick look at their customer base, it's quite an impressive list. They have the likes of GSK, Lilly, Novartis, and Pfizer as their customers. OptimizeRX is truly disrupting an entire industry. Let me explain how. Typically, a sales rep has to communicate directly with a care provider and give them a short spiel on why a new drug or medical device might work for their patients. This is a pivotal meeting for the success of a product, but physicians are already overworked and many actively avoid sales reps. Up to 55% of doctors limit rep access. So how do drug companies best communicate with doctors and increase awareness of medical breakthroughs? Enter OptimizeRX. This company has a virtual model. Its customers are the who's who of big pharma: AbbVie, GlaxoSmithKline, AstraZeneca, Merck, Eli Lilly, Pfizer, Novartis, Sanofi, Amgen, Medtronic, and Dexcom. OptimizeRX helps these companies reach doctors via the company's marketing platform, served up to doctors virtually on more than 370 electronic health records. As many as 90% of physicians use EHR every day, and they average almost 6 hours of use every day. OptimizeRX can target messages to doctors at precise points in the doctor's ordinary internet workflow. And OptimizeRX reports an amazing 520% return on investment for the pharmaceutical companies that use its service. The company is firing on all cylinders right now, in part because the COVID-19 pandemic has made access to doctors even more difficult for sales reps. OptimizeRX reported 110% revenue growth in its most recent quarter. The company forecasts 117% growth for the fourth quarter with positive net income. Another thing that stands out about this company is that they've always continued to introduce new services and products, all of which have translated in increased revenues. So OptimizeRX's first major product, financial messaging, allowed it to penetrate the healthcare communication space. Since then, the company has added 3 additional products which are moving OPRX up the value chain towards enterprise deals where it will provide a variety of messaging solutions instead of one-off project work. The company's new suite of complementary offerings include patient adherence, clinical educational messaging, and a digital therapeutics SaaS platform. OPRX has partnered with many of the largest EHR companies, enabling direct reach to physicians through its EHR messaging platform. As more hospitals and offices restrict direct sales visits with doctors, this new access to prescribers is valuable for manufacturers. So this small cap company is clearly doing really well, but the future looks even brighter in my opinion. OPRX's new integrated platform positions the company in the center of several significant cross-currents in the healthcare industry, especially in the digital space. As shown in the slide below, DTX market, while relatively small today at $2.2 billion, is expected to grow to $32 billion by 2024. Concurrently, the care management solutions market is expected to grow significantly from $14.1 billion today to roughly $38 billion by 2024. So we're talking about a company that has a market cap of 800 or 900 million that's growing steadily every quarter and has a multi-billion dollar market opportunity in front of it. Right, so now that you're aware of the huge upside potential this company has to offer, let's take a look at its chart. So as you can see here, this company has had massive growth in the last 6 months. What's even more interesting is that they recently announced a public offering, and that didn't even make a dent in the share price. When you take a look at the buy ratings on Yahoo Finance, it stands at 1.8, which is pretty good. This company also has a very good balance sheet. OptimizeRX is debt-free and was debt-free even 5 years ago. So guys, what do you think about this company? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I really like what I'm seeing here, and I've started a position in this company today. Anyways, that's it from me. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.